We're going to grill up some lamb rib roast, rack of lamb on the Weber Kettle. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd. This is Greenhorn Barbecue Beer. Thank you for coming back. We really appreciate when you stop by, spend a few minutes checking out our videos. Okay guys, like I mentioned, today we're going to be doing a rack of lamb rib roast, whatever you want to call it. We got two of these beautiful Australian lamb rib roasts that we got from Costco. They're looking really good. Doesn't need a whole lot. It's just such a delicious cut of meat, but you know, it definitely takes well to really delicious aromatic flavors. So let me show you what we're going to make. Okay guys, first thing we're going to do is make our paste. So I'm going to get a little food processor here. It'll come in really handy to mix all our ingredients here. Now the salt and pepper, we're going to put that on the lamb just before we put this paste on there. So I'm going to set it aside. To get some nice green color and some nice little flavor, I'm going to take a little bunch of parsley. Okay. And there we go. Then we're going to take some nice fresh mint. And try not to use the stems on the mint. It's a little bitter. 2 heaping spoons of Dijon mustard. Now you could use your own favorite mustard if you want. I'm using Dijon. Get some little bit of that spice going. And some fresh garlic. Skin off them, cut them in half. Again, they're going in the food processor. We should take care of the rest. And I'm going to get some lemon. Get some nice fresh lemon juice. I don't like the seeds. I don't want to get them in there. But, you know, it is going in a processor. That's all right. I'm just going to get them out there anyway. Okay. There we go. And it doesn't need a whole lot of lemon. Just enough. Then a few heaping tablespoons, 3 or 4 of avocado oil. I'm going to open it up, just kind of help it out here, push it down a little bit. Alright guys, like I said, really this only needs some salt and pepper here first, so we're just going to let the lamb speak for itself, more or less. So a little bit of salt, and yes, I'm using coarse ground salt, and pepper. So now we're going to take our paste. And we're just going to paint this on. Alright guys, that's about it. So now I'm going to take those racks. I'm going to stick them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the fridge for 3 or 4 hours. Now when I take them out, I'm going to let them come up to room temperature a little bit because I want these rack of lamb to cook more even. And that will also give us an opportunity to get the Weber ready, so we'll meet you outside. Alright guys, okay, we're going to go ahead and put these on here, and we're just going to go for some sear right now. So I'm going to go for about 4 minutes aside. And we'll start on this side here. There we go. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to change that to 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. If you want, you know, you could put foil or what have you on the bones to protect it, but we kind of like that consistency. We kind of like that look, so we're just going to leave it alone. All right, these are looking pretty good. I'm going to pull these off here. Now what I'm going to do, okay, actually I'm going to give a little bit more char on that one. A little bit of char on that one. There we go. Okay. Now, being really careful, we're going to set it up for the rest of its cook. All right. Now, basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put them together and kind of weave these bones together now. All right. Kind of like that. Okay. That looks good. And we're going to go a little bit slower now. Okay, so we're going to watch it really well here. I know it's a little hot, but that's okay. I definitely want to get a little sear action going on there. And as it cooks in, I'm going for that perfect medium rare. I'm going to be probing it on a regular basis to make sure I don't go over 128. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. Okay, and that's just one of them. Put that right there. We got two. Look at that. Yeah, not bad. Nice shot of that. Alright. So let's just take one of these here. Now, I don't know about you, but I like a nice thick lamb chop. So I'm going to cut those right here, just like a rib. Well, these are ribs. Right between this bone right here. I'm going to slice it right down the middle. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, perfect medium rare right there. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Look at that. Now I know Sassy likes a little bit more well done, so I'm going to give her the end here.
Okay, that's true.
How is that, huh?
Beautiful.
Look at that. Oh man, this is so good. Oh.
I'll take a bite at the end. That's cooked.
Oh my god, that was just so good. Oh. It was so delicious, you know. There's a little bit of that char, but I expected that.
Super tender.
I wanted that char, but it's really that marinating for about 5 hours that really helps seal in that flavor. Now, I don't know what happens chemically, but oh my god, it tastes good.
Actually, those marinated longer. So.
Yeah, probably about 5 hours, yeah. So Sassy here, she needs to eat something a little bit more well done. So we're going to carve off the ends for her, maybe even grill some up a little bit more. But I wanted to show you guys something more of a medium rare. Really, most people believe that's the way to do lamb. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Folks, if you like this, please subscribe and share with your friends and stuff. And if you're interested in this shirt that I'm wearing, with Suds McBacon, our new mascot. Head on over to our Teespring store and check it out. We got shirts, tank tops, lady stuff, stickers. Prices are rock bottom. Go check it out. So anyway, until next time, folks. See you later.
Thanks for joining us.